Ever been mesmerized by the breathtaking wallpapers Windows Spotlight sets on your desktop, but had no idea how to save them? You're not alone. The good news is, you don't need any fancy apps or complicated settings to get these gorgeous images. In full resolution, in just a few simple steps, you can download your favorite Spotlight wallpapers and set them as your own. Let's dive in and unlock this easy trick. When you have a Spotlight image on your desktop, look for an icon related to that image. Double-click the icon on your desktop to open the image in your browser. Right-click on the image and select Inspect. This opens the Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools, find the line with div class equals media container wrapper. Look for a link in this section that contains background image. The link should look something like this. Click on the image URL link to open the full resolution image in your browser. Right-click on the full resolution image and select Save Image. Rename the image and save it to your desired location. You can now set the image as your desktop or lock screen wallpaper by right-clicking on the image and selecting Set as Desktop Background or Set as Lock Screen. And that's it. Now you can easily download those beautiful Windows Spotlight wallpapers in full resolution. No apps, no hassle, just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Way Towards Tech for more tips and tricks on making the most of your tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.